Hello my dear students and welcome to Zenith Academy Online. My name is Shagufta and today I'll be teaching you how to draw an angle of 165 degree with the help of a compass. So suppose you have to draw an angle ABC like this, ABC, which is having a measure of 165 degree. So how to start? First I'll take the point B, draw a ray BC with the help of a scale. Okay. So this is the ray BC. Now at B we have to draw 165 degree. Now students, you have to remember what is 165. 165 is 120 plus 30 plus 15. Right? So this makes 165 degree. So we will make use of this thing in drawing 165 degree. Like your compass, stretch it, okay, keep the pointer at B, okay, and draw a complete arc like this, okay. Now first we have to draw 120. We already know how to draw 120. If this is the arc and keeping the same measure, if I keep the pointer here, this is my 60 degree. Right? Now if I keep my pointer here, this will be my 120. Now keeping the same pointer, if I cut here, this is another 60, so this is 180. This hole is 120, so I have drawn 120. I have to add 30 to it. Now this is 60, right? 60 plus 60 plus 60 is making 180. So this is 60. This is 60. Now I have to take only 30 because I have to make this 30. So 30 is the half of this. Since this is 60, so if I bisect these 2 points, okay, then I will get 30. So basically this point and this point I will take and I will bisect it to get 30. So I'll take the compass, I'll stretch it to any measure, okay. Keeping the pointer at this point, I will draw an arc. Keeping the pointer at this point now, I will cut this arc. So they have met at this point. So if I join B and this point, what will I get? 60 plus 60 plus 30, that is 150. So I have got till here. Now I want 15 more. Okay. So we know this remaining half is 30. So if I can bisect this point and this point, I will get one more 15, correct? So now I will bisect this. So take your compass, stretch it, keep the pointer here, make an arc. Now keep the pointer at this point and cut the arc. So now we have got this point. So we will join this with B. And this is our A because this is 15. So add 60 plus 60, 120 plus 30, 150. 150 plus 15 is 165. So this whole angle is 165 degree. Let me explain to you this again. 165. 165 is 120 plus 30 plus 15. So first we draw the ray BC. I take a point B and draw the ray BC. Now I have to draw 120. So I'll take the compass, keep the pointer at B and draw an arc. Okay. Now keeping the pointer here, we know this is 60. Keeping the same measure again, this is 120, right? 60, 60, 120 and this is 180. So this is 120, 120 plus 30. So for this 60 we will bisect it. So now I will bisect this. Now keeping this here. So I have taken these 2 points and drawn a bisector. Now simply join this. This is 60, 60 and then 30. So 60 and 60 and 30. Now we want 15. So if this is 30, this is also 30, this part. So I will have to bisect these 2 points, this point and this point. So keeping my pointer here, I will draw an arc, and keeping my pointer here, I will cut that arc. Okay. So can you see, this is the point where they have met. Now I will join this point B and this point of intersection of the arcs. This is our required ray A. So 120 plus 30 plus 15 is giving me 165 degree. So this is how you have to draw angle of 165 degree with the help of compass. Always remember, you should always understand how it is and not just draw by seeing the instructions in the book. You should know the reason why this is 165. I hope now you have understood how to draw 165 degree. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up and write in the comment section. And please share it with all of your friends and keep the learning on.